Hello everyone, today I'm going to talk about writing repetitious chapters without being repetitious, and I'm going to update you on my 4 creative goals. Vacation is over and this week I'm going to focus on the book goal, and the goal of the week will be to rewrite the 3rd chapter in the horror novel where the main character realizes that there's an intruder in the house. So this week I rewrote the 3rd chapter, which is within the first 4th of the book. And this is a chapter where the evil gets inside the little house that the main character lives in. Basically, she believes that there's something invading the house and she can hear sounds and so on, but gets kind of a scientific explanation for it, except that it also reveals something else that is very important in the book. The problem with this is that it takes place during 3 nights and it's in the same location, and that is kind of a no-no in a way, because it can get pretty repetitious. So the way I did combat that was that I tried to add something new in each of those chapters, so it's not exactly the same. I tried to keep it pretty short, so you don't get bored. Some stuff you have already read and you don't need to read it again. It could just be like a short callback for something. And you can also use the same kind of action, but that she reacts to it in a different way, and that works too. For the film goal, I picked up the web series and took a look at it, because I'm thinking of sending it in to get some funding for it. But the document I have to create, it was not a good week for it, because I had so much at work and I really don't like to create those documents. So I'll see if I actually will apply for money. I would actually kind of need a producer, but the whole thing with this project is that I just want to keep it simple with as few people as possible. So an evaluation of this week, I think it went pretty well. I went up early. I had a lot of hours writing. I didn't have to edit that much, which helps. And I think the result was pretty good. So next week I'm gonna continue with the book goal and chapter 4, which is the last chapter in like the first act, if you want to use those terms, where the character gets some doubt whether she actually should stay or not with all of this shit happening. And that will be nice, because I will be able to introduce one of my favorite characters too. And that is what I had for this week. So if you like what you saw, then please give me a thumb up. If you want to comment on anything, then please comment below. And if you want to continue to follow my journey in reaching my 4 creative goals before I reach 40, then please subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you soon.